Hello everyone! Today we're back to sharing some of our recent technical developments. Let's take a look. We are working on more active interactions where you can press buttons to initiate an action. Here's one where you can pick up a plate of food instantly with a button, and pressing another button will throw that plate of food to wherever you target it. Another button allows you to swing your hand with moderate force, and if you so choose, you can have that land on another person, which by the way is not a nice thing to do. When you're floating on water, we added a nice touch where the Zoe would sway just barely to make it seem more realistic. We previewed the vacation system a while back, and here is an updated look on the new feature. Choose your destination and who you will be traveling there with, as well as your accommodation. Order local food, explore the area, or just enjoy the various amenities if you're in a fancy resort. We're also working on the restaurant experience, where you can order food at your table and have that food be cooked, then delivered to you by a waiter. If you're looking for more ways to enjoy time with friends and lovers, you can invite them to your home with our new sleepover system. It can be your closest of lads or a love interest you just met that night. Use this system to create many different scenarios for your Zoes. We're adding a feature for schools where you can specify which students will be in the first period and the second period of classes. You can also set default autonomy actions for NPC Zoes, including whether they can butt into conversations, get married, divorced, pregnant, and so on. Many of you have requested this, and we're finally making it so that you can interact with babies outside your home. To reduce the fatigue of continually having to hold shift to run, we made it so that if you hold W for an extended period of time, the Zoe will transition into a running motion. Of course, we're providing the option to disable this feature if you want to slowly walk around the city. There was an annoying interaction where if you wanted your Zoe to fill their need when they were outside, but their home was nearby, they would always look for solutions outside their home. We fixed it so that they would just enter their home to eat food, use the toilet, etc. We also fixed another annoying issue where many Zoes would collide with each other to get the same plate of food. Now, if there are not enough food available, some will simply resort to acquiring additional food for themselves. Another related thing we fixed was Zoes previously sitting with another Zoe they barely knew, as if that is a natural thing to do. Now, if there is an empty table nearby, they'll go to sit there instead. Oppositely, if the Zoe wants to eat with another Zoe, they'll skip the closer table to sit at another table that the other Zoe is eating at. We added positive and negative reactions for when Zoes are eating tasty and not so tasty food. If the food they ate was their preference, there will be a positive reaction for that, but a negative reaction for activities they do not enjoy. What did you think of this week's developments? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'll see you all on Discord next Wednesday, and I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Bye!